Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, or you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? Today, I'm going to share with you another school in the United States where you can travel, yes, and study for free. If this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So welcome back to the channel where we turn dreams into degrees and ambition into action. If you are an international student looking for real funding, yes, funding opportunities to study here in the United States, you are in the right place. Because today, we're talking about a college that is not just offering scholarships, they are opening doors. Now, let's talk about the College of Worcester and how they are investing in global talent like you. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you, and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. I see how you like my videos. I see how you share my videos. I see how you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I see your beautiful comments right here on this channel. Thank you and thank you and thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. So make it a day to join me on this channel every day. Tune into this channel. There's something for everyone. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, the College of Worcester is located in Ohio. The College of Worcester has a similar policy. They will meet 100% of your demonstrated financial need if you get accepted. Yes, I'm talking about a similar policy as the previous video that I shared with you guys, St. Olaf. And like I said, they will also meet 100% of your demonstrated financial need if you get accepted. That means you come from a very poor background. Yes. And you have the potential to receive a full scholarship from the college. So guys, let's get right into it. The College of Worcester is one of those schools that gets it. They actually understand that international students bring leadership. International students bring creativity. International students bring global perspective to campus. And they built a program to match that energy. And here are the types of scholarships and financial aid that you can get. Now let's go ahead and break down the different types of aids that they offer, because there is something here for every kind of student. Now they have the merit-based scholarship. First of all, merit-based scholarships they are automatically considered for every applicant, and they are based on your academic achievements and the impacts that you have made in your community. Now, awards go all the way up to full tuition. Yes, you heard that right. Full tuition, just for being the brilliant, hardworking students that you already are. They also have the Worcester Grant. Now, they also have the Worcester Grants. And this one is specifically for non-US citizens enrolling as first-year degree-seeking students. These grants can help you cover your tuition, room, and board, which is actually huge. So if you're worried about the full cost of college, this grant could be a game changer for you. Now let's talk about some of the specialized awards that reward leadership and talent. You have the Model UN Leadership Award. So if you have been active in Model UN and you've shown a strong leadership, you could earn $2,000 per year for just that experience. Performing arts scholarship is also available. If you have talent in music, in theater, and dance, these scholarships range from $2,000 to $8,000 per year, and they are looking for students who bring the stage to life. They also have fellowships. These are opportunities for research, internships, and other hands-on experiences that can elevate your college journey and your resume. Now, do you know they have need-aware admissions as well? Now, this is something that you should understand. Worcester uses a need-aware admissions policy for international students, and that means that they do consider your financial need when making admissions decisions. And it is important to be strategic. Put your best foot forward academically and be clear about your financial situation. And here is the application process. Here is what you need to know. The good news is this: all applicants are automatically considered for merit-based scholarships. You do not need to submit a separate application for those ones. But guess what? If you are going for a performing arts scholarship or something like the Model UN Award, then guess what you need to do? You may need to submit additional materials like an audition video or a leadership resume. So make sure that you check the details on the College of Worcester website and give yourself plenty of time to actually prepare. And here are my success tips. Let me leave you with a few quick tips to make your application stand out. The first thing you need to do is to actually show your impact, whether it's in your school, whether it's in your community, or even in your country. Highlight what you have done and why it matters. And please be authentic. Don't just list your achievements, tell your story. Let them see your passion and your purpose, and start early. See, sneak up fast, especially for international students. Give yourself time to gather documents, write strong essays, and prepare any extras. And remember, this isn't just about getting into college. It's about finding a place that sees your value and invests in your future. So besties, if this video has helped you, go ahead and like this video in case you have not. Subscribe to my channel in case you have not joined the family, and share it with someone who is dreaming of study in the United States. Also, leave your comments in the comments below. I'm here to help you navigate every step of the scholarship journey. And if you want more videos like this on this channel, when it comes to funding, how to build a college plan that works for you, make sure that you are following this channel because I've got more coming your way. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I really want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? So those of you that want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, yes, I offer one-on-one consultation. All you need to do is to join my Patreon community, and then you can book a one-on-one session with me. Yes, we can discuss all things scholarship, school, funding, and all of the good stuff. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also introduce myself once again. My name is Miriam. I live here in California. I've got a master's degree in business. Yes, I've got an MBA from California State University, Dominguez Hills. So yes, I am here to help you navigate everything study, everything travel, everything scholarship from anywhere in the world. And just so you know, I have a lot of scholarships in China that I'm going to be sharing with you. So make sure that you join this channel by subscribing here, because I'll be sharing a lot of Chinese scholarships that you can apply to. German scholarships, yes, you can travel to Germany for free. And I also have Italy, I have a lot of scholarships that you don't want to miss out on. Because here on this channel, this is the winning channel. If you want to join the winning team, make sure that you don't sleep on it. Oh yeah, subscribe to this channel, join the family. And if you have any question for me, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. I am here rooting for you. So if you want to ask me questions, please note this is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. So feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your God. Take care and bye for now. Love you.